All right, today is day 3. We are working on some math skills. You should have a little bag of gems. Should have a die in there. Why do I say die and not dice, Miss Rachel?
Die is for 1, dice is for 2 or more.
And I only have 1. All right, you don't need your glue, but you need your marker. All right, so I'm gonna give you a couple different ways to do this. This is the easiest way, just working on number recognition. If you look at our board, we have a bunch of different numbers. Do you see any of the numbers that look wonky?
So I see that 4 is written different today than we sometimes see it.
Okay, so how else do you see the 4?
Sometimes you can see it like, yep, like that, exactly.
Okay, remember, throughout all the kits, I will mix them up because this is how you see it in real life. You see it both ways.
Yep.
Okay. So we have our, what I call our fancy R today. Our fancy 4 today. All right. All right. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to roll the die. We are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. How convenient. We just worked on that number. So I already showed you where the 4 is. All right. Do you remember? Here's 1. Okay. So you're going to take a gem and you're going to cover it. Do you see any more 4s?
I do. I see one down here in the corner.
Okay. Should we cover it now or should we wait? That is up to you.
Yep.
Miss Christy is going to wait.
One at a time.
Speaking of 1.
Hey, well, there we go.
All right. So you now need to look for 1.
Perfect.
All right.
There we go.
I will say this, parents, if they are having trouble with the number recognition, the other thing that I always tell them to do is to put dots so they can count. All right. So if you need to fill in this board for them, do it before they start. Okay. Okay. Something similar to that. And that way they can match them up. Okay. 1, 1. All right. That's only if they need it. Oh, look at that.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Whoops. That was our other 4. Okay. And the goal is to cover the entire board. 1, 2, 3. Do you see 3? I see a couple 3s.
Right up here.
Okay.
That's the one I want.
Oh, look at that.
Got another 3. All right.
Oh, there's 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see 6?
I see this one right here.
Okay. Up 3. We already covered all of our 3s. I don't see any more.
2. There we
2.
go.
4. Do we have any more 4s?
I think we covered up all the 4s already. Let's roll again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is. Board's looking pretty. 1, 2, 3. Nope. 6.
Nope. We already have those covered up.
1.
All the 1s are done.
6. Come on. 2 or 5.
Hey, there we go.
All right. Wow. Now to get 2 5s back to back.
Ooh, let's see. It's
4. 4. 4. 1. 4. 1. 6. 3. 2. 4. 5. Oh my goodness.
Aren't you good at dice games, Miss Chrissy? Come on.
Wow. Wow. Now I got to do that again?
Yep. Nope.
Hey,
oh, there we go.
all
Now
right.
cooperated.
All right. My board is complete. Look at that. Look at that.
So shiny.
It is.
Love it.
All right. When you are ready to move on, flip your board over. Okay. And now you're going to do a little different. Now,
We're gonna roll first.
you're going to roll.
We're gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And then you're going to put them anywhere on your crown. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't have to put them here.
Nope. Anywhere on the crown is totally fine. Ooh, lots of gems coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so the first time we rolled, we got 4. Second time we got 6. I'm gonna add them all together and see what we have, okay? So you can also, on the top or the bottom, write it out when you're ready. If you can't write it out, feel free to do the dots too, okay? So 4, 6, let's count them. Let's see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ooh,
Wow.
that's a lot of gems.
That is a lot of gems. All right. I'm not going to keep doing this with you. It's just something that you can work on your own. But you can do this over and over and over again. You can work on just rolling and putting them on there, or you can roll them twice and then add them all together. One more thing, of course, before we go. If you want them to work on writing as well, roll. You get 3. You put 3 on your board. And then, oh, Miss Chrissy's writing upside down.
Nope.
Yep, see?
Sorry.
See, Miss Chrissy? She's rolling upside down.
There we go. Perfect.
Okay. So this is another way that you can have them start writing the numbers. Okay. All part of number recognition. Put it away. Save it for a rainy day. Pull it out again. Work on it some more. That's all I have. Bye, you guys.